So guys, here it is. This is my Ryzen PC. Now I did a few videos on this back in the day, back in the early days of 2018. This is what I used to edit all of my videos on. Now over the past few months, I really haven't used it. I literally haven't touched it since August. I've literally only been using my Macs. However, due to a secret project, that may all be about to change. As you saw by the intro sequence though, it's dusty. It's really, really dusty. It completely needs a clean out. As far as upgrades go, I don't think it needs any. It's perfectly fine for what I need. However, the dust is just gonna make the temperatures go through the roof, so we definitely need to take care of that. Let's test it. Let's see if it turns on. Yep. I actually forgot how satisfying that was. Okay guys, so I've finished cleaning the PC, it's back to its usual spot, now it's completely dust free and ready for use. By the way, I'm not sure if it was clear, but I brought back the BubVisuals Christmas tree. This has been the 3rd year in a row that I've used this in December. Pop that there. The new addition also, hold on. The new addition to the desk is this magnetic Father Christmas. This is gonna stay on my lamp, I think, for December. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, so now onto one of the more important parts of this video. So as it should be fairly clear, at the moment I work almost entirely out of this room. Whether that's scripting, editing, shooting, I do the whole lot in here, and it's starting to get really cramped. Recently though, I've actually had an amazing opportunity. That opportunity being an office space where I can make these videos, I can sit, I can shoot, I can script, I can edit, I can do everything. I'm probably still gonna edit here though because I got my iMac, and editing on a MacBook it's just not the same. I think getting this office is going to be absolutely game changing because I won't have to produce out of this cramped space anymore, meaning that making videos will be a lot more fun, therefore there will be more of them. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Remember to like the video. If you want to see more content like this, then please subscribe. I'm done, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, we on the way. Yeah, we on the way.